Today I'm going to be making larb, the national dish of Laos. There are many regional variations of this dish, and it's usually served with sticky rice and various vegetable side dishes. Larb is said to have originated in Laos, but is now very popular in the northeastern parts of Thailand, called Isan. Isan has a high population of Lao people because at the end of the Vietnam War between 1975 and 1995, approximately 200,000 Lao refugees crossed the Mekong River into Thailand, converging many of the traditions of the two cultures. Currently, there are more ethnic Lao people that live in Thailand than in Laos, and many Lao dishes are actually pretty popular abroad, but unfortunately the word Lao is rarely mentioned because of forced Thaification, so northeastern Thai or Isan is more commonly used. The ingredients in this dish give it a very refreshing flavor, which is why it's enjoyed by people all over the country of all socioeconomic backgrounds.